Hello everyone, my name is Shawn Mathew, and today we're going to be doing the DIY lava lamp. Alright, so the instructions say that we gotta go ahead and fill this container with 1/4 of water. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I tried to see if I can get myself a bottle, but the bottle was a little too small. So we're just going to try this out just to see if we can get a better reaction from this. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some vegetable oil. So I'll let that go all the way to the top right there. Let it chill for a little bit there. All right. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put some food coloring. I'm going to try to go with blue, my favorite color. So we're going to put I'm going to probably put 5 on one side. It did say 8 to 10, but I'm going to try 2 different colors. See if I can get some good change in colors. Here we go. That's 5 right there. On the other end, I will do, I believe this is red. Perfect. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, cool. Play around a little bit. Maybe add a little bit more on the blue end and a little bit more on the red end. Just to bring it a little bit of color. And we'll do the same on the other side. It'll probably give a purple color vibe kind of thing. See if that will help out. All right. Next thing is the Alka-Seltzer. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open this puppy up. I'll start out with 1 tablet, and then as we kind of get going, I'll try to see if we can double it up. All right. As you can kind of see, about to get a party going over here. There we go. Well, you kind of get all the blues and a little bit, just mostly blues and blacks, actually. Thought I can get a little bit of purple here and there. Let's up the ante too a little bit and see if we can get a little bit more fun going in there. All right. So the reason that this reaction is working, it's because the tablets, the Alka-Seltzers, contain sodium bicarb and citric acid. And when it dissolves, you can hear the fizzles. And when they dissolve, the bicarb and the hydrogen ions are formed. And once it's in the solution, the 2 chemical reactions then react according to the reaction. And when that occurs, then pretty much the HCO3 and the hydrogen ion collide to the right. They collide and create that energy. And it happens better. It is better when the tablets are crushed, but because we kind of just went crazy, we kind of put 2 tablets in there just to give the effect of the lava lamp. And usually it would collide a little bit more effectively when the temperature is high. And when the temperature is high, then usually is when the molecules move a little bit more faster. Alrighty. And that is the lava lamp. Alright. Hope you guys have a good day.